the iPad in the sink vlog. Yeah, we're gonna kill it. See it? Yeah. The screwed up one. Bye bye.
No, you can't.
Share my other vlog thing. Look it. You can see it. Isn't that cool? It's gonna die. Oh, there it goes.
Tell me it will stay alive. Oh, it's flickering, guys.
Look at that. Look at those cracks.
Right,
I think it's dead.
Yeah, we're done. And we're going to see if it brings back to life.
So,